All right, what's up, guys? My name is Paul. I'm the Lo-Fi Trumpet Guy, as you can hear in the background. But this session isn't about my trumpet playing. This session is about my website building skills. So, if you hear lo-fi music, I like to put that plug in there. So, if you want to watch, feel free to. I've been screwing around with this setting here for a while. So I think I finally got everything set up the way I wanted it to be. So let's just see how this goes. So this stream is about me building websites, and to kind of help you learn how to do it yourself. You don't need to know code, but it's very helpful. Today you have everything that you can do everything basically with WordPress or Squarespace or Wix. But if you want to save money, you're going to learn how to do these things yourself using WordPress. And one of the newest builders I just discovered, it's called Nicepage, and I am absolutely in love with this builder. It works on your desktop when you're offline, and you can actually export it in multiple different formats for like a static HTML website, or you could do it for WordPress, which runs on PHP or Joomla. So you have a number of different options, and this video is basically going to focus on that. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and switch the screen here, and you can see here I have Nicepage up. So over here, this is the website, and there's actually a link in the description of the video if you want to get it yourself. I bought the lifetime version. It's $200. That saves you from subscribing to like Elementor or Divi Builder if you want to subscribe to that, which coincidentally, because I own an agency, I ended up just buying that lifetime many years ago anyway. Lifetime updates, it's great. You save money. Yesterday's video, I focused on my personal website, which you can see here. This one is the new Cassis Media website that I was trying to build. So I want you guys to be along on the journey for this one. I can't exactly tear down. So let's take a look at the current Cassis Media website. Let's take a look here. Yeah, so this thing is built with Divi Builder. I'm actually going to log in and show you guys the back end. So this is WordPress. I have a whole bunch of stuff going on here, and what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to end up parking it with DNS. Well, actually, no, what I'm going to do is build it on another like subdomain and then just switch it over. Hopefully don't get any, I don't have too many issues, but I've put a lot of time into my business website, and the reason I'm using Nicepage now is because I found that things load faster. If I click this, even with streaming, I find that I still have like a pretty good setup here. If we go back to Nicepage, it just simplifies everything, and the way my website's built and designed, I'm going to refresh this so the admin bar shows up. I mean, they both do a fantastic job, and you have like animations and stuff that you can put in here. You can see how everything loads. For those who want just like a static website and don't want to be updating it, I might just be building them with Nicepage in the future, because this gives me a better deliverable option. So the Nicepage is actually free initially. So if you go to nicepage.com, we go here, you can just download it, and it's for Windows or Mac. You can get the WordPress plugin, get your Joomla extension, or you could just do it online. So if you start Nice Page Online, click on that, it's going to load the actual builder on their server. So you do have to log in with this. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. There you go. So you can see my builder shows up here. Now you can see that this one has just the Castus Media. This has the Paul Casterly. These don't sync like this, but you can export the project and then import it into the web builder if you need like a cloud version. So you can do that. But I prefer using the desktop builder, unless it's like a client website. I think I'm probably going to use the cloud version in case I'm on the go. But what I think I'm really gonna do is export the project to like a thumb drive. That way, if I'm on a train or something, I can work on this stuff while I'm out. So whatever the case may be, I'm going to do it that way. So let's take a look here. So, but yeah, you can use the builder. It's free. There's a number of things you cannot do if you don't have the paid version, of course. But the basic builder, I mean, you can build a pretty nice site using Nice Page without paying for it. It's actually freaking awesome. So here's my main concern with the Castus Media website. I have it set up to where authors, if you're a writer, you can go to the Authors Hub, and revealing behind the scenes, and you can see I have this set up like for this. They can upload an article. If they're one of our authors, this is going to pop up. If they're one of our connection specialists, this page will appear. Right now, this information is controlled. The visibility is controlled on the back end of Divi. So if you go to like Theme Builder here, let's take a look at, I don't know, the connection specialist. Connection specialist portal. If I go to custom body, and I can guarantee you no agency is going to reveal the back end of their corporate website. But guys, websites are just documents, okay? There's no secret here. I just set it up a certain way so you guys know how to do this stuff. The people who hire me to build websites don't have the time or don't care to learn. Obviously you're learning, so you're not going to hire me, so it doesn't really affect me, does it? People have told me that, I shouldn't be giving away my secrets, but this stuff's public knowledge. You just take some time. So you can see these sections here, and Nice Page also uses sections, but they're called blocks in theirs. But in Divi you have sections, rows, and modules. So it's super simple. It's all you need. It really is. A lot of the settings are the same, but one of the things that is really important to note here is that when you want to control something in Divi, press the gear icon, go to Advanced, you go to Conditions. This is an amazing feature, which is why I'm nervous about moving away from Divi Builder. Because I can set it up, they have to be logged in and they have to be a connection specialist or an admin to see this. You have to be logged in and connect, one of those roles. So I'm not gonna change anything. And what I did was I went into let's see, user role editor. You can actually, it's a plugin, and you can control all of the aspects. And I'll move it to human readable form. You can control all the aspects of what each user is allowed to do. It's amazing control you have in WordPress. To do that in like Joomla, you're probably going to need some kind, I think they call them extensions. They also have code that you can put in, but it's so complicated. If you don't know how to code, you know, it's going to probably drive you nuts. So that's why I love Divi. It's literally changed the game for me. But nice page. I mean, I have all my websites here. And the cool thing is, if you look at this, we can do export import. You can export the site. And then you have the option of doing it. You can actually, let's see, export WordPress via FTP. You could send this to, like, the export the theme and the pages to the server direct remotely. I haven't quite mastered how to do that yet, but it's possible. So you could update everything from your desktop and not even need to log into the website live. So yeah, I gotta figure out how to do that, but this is a live stream. You guys can sit here and learn or listen to music or just listen to me talk. That's fine. You know, and I had this store where people could go and, you know, buy this digital marketing media kit or a WordPress site that's ready to go, you know, pay $50 or whatever I'm charging, $9 actually, really cheap. I was just gonna send you the file, and it has all the instructions in it. But that hasn't really taken off. I haven't really pushed it very hard. So, but you know, you can still make a shop. I'll show you an example. Actually, no, because I don't have that. But I did test it, and it works. If you have WooCommerce installed, it puts that shop products here, and they do show up. So it's super easy to make a nice looking store here. So why don't we do this? I'm not going to work on my site today. Why don't we just create a new site, and let's just start with a blank page. Okay, so we're going to get around to it. So we're going to start here with the site settings. What's the site called? I'm going to call it My Store. Home. It automatically creates a home, about, and contact page for you, by the way. The theme settings, I'm going to save my changes. Okay, so your header is global, no matter what page you have it on. So the logo, I'm going to change the image to, how about this Ukraine heart? Okay. And I'll explain all this stuff later, but colors, I'm going to choose a preset here. I think I'm going to do, I don't know, let's choose the blue one. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, all of these, you can actually change each one individually, or you can just pick headings separately, and then we can go to, say we want a Lato theme, and the text itself, we're going to make it like Georgia. I don't know. I'm just choosing something unique. All right. Theme. So here's the thing. Look up here. You're going to see add large devices beta. We could do that, but I don't know. Does this go up to 1920? Yeah. Yep, content area width. So this will actually show you what it'll look like if it's 1920. This computer I'm on is a 1920 by 1080 mid 2011 iMac. So that's what I'm going to do there. This one for laptops, I'm going to make 1280. Okay, apparently I'm not going to make it 1280. Make it 1200. Nope. All right. Well, it's stuck at 1199. That's what we're gonna have it at. And then tablets, 720. That's actually the right size. Landscape phones and portrait phones, we're gonna put to 320. Actually, no, we're gonna leave that at 340. Because there's a difference between screen size and sheet size. If you see the, let's see, width, sheet, if you move the screen, it'll bump out to the edge of the screen here. Right, so we want the sheet. This puts it at like a 90% width. That way things aren't like right up against the edge of the screen. We're gonna align on one side, center, leave that alone. I'm actually gonna change this. I do support Ukraine in their effort, but I don't know. Let's find out. Let's see, it's Google. Let's just use the Google logo. All right, perfect. So we're gonna do that. Again, Google, this is for just demonstration purposes. Okay. I don't believe. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna go back and save those changes. So once you got your theme settings, this is what your header is gonna look like. So we have. This is our home page. You can tell up here, right? So this is your menu. We're gonna go with this setting. You can actually choose different like versions. You know, you can get to preview it as you go. You can get super creative with this. It's awesome. All right, so here's what I wanted to get to. Let's say you want to start creating your website. Features. You have like so many different options. The designs are pre-made. They have different fonts and everything. The blocks are similar layouts, but they won't like change your font or anything. The header, you can change the style of. So you probably want something like this, where it has it. And again, the header's also technically a block. It's just a global block. So let's see here. You can export these to change. So I'm just showing you the builder. Let's start with like a slider. Cool, man. All right. So we have that. We're gonna add another block. Let's go with a design, maybe. Products, product list. Product details. You can change your whole theme, by the way. Save this. See what that does. Ooh, okay. It's kind of cool. Changes your theme just for that block. Brands. You can add this below it. they have a lot of cool designs. I don't prefer to use templates unless there's something specific, and I'll just delete and redo my own stuff. You can have like a pricing table, you know, so it's kind of cool. And you know, this serif font is bothering me a lot, so I'm going to go to site settings, general theme settings, save the settings. Okay, Georgia, yeah. Georgia on my mind. I'm actually going to set this to Lato as well. I have it 17. Back, save. I turned autosave off, but you can have it on if you hover over the saving thing. It's kind of cool. Settings. Those templates, so I don't know why this isn't aligning to the center. Okay. So there we go. So you see, you can build a site, you know, and if you have products in WooCommerce under the WordPress CMS, they will populate here and generate the info. Keeps it super simple, super clean. But let's say we want to scrap this page. Let's go to pages. We're going to get rid of the home page, delete. We're going to get rid of the contact page, delete that. The about page is the only one left. We're going to save the changes, which doesn't make sense because there's no home page now. So blocks and elements, 10,000 designs. It's true. Why don't we go with let's go with this one. Cool. I believe this is a footer, actually. Command Z. Designs, here we go. Yeah, what I had done there is I accidentally put it in the footer. I clicked down here. You'll see because it's separated. So, let's look at the header styles. Watch this. This is kind of cool. I'm going to put the preset here. Alright, so what did I do? The header is now over the first block. Header over block. Which means let's see, background. The actual menu should probably be like there we go. Okay. So let's talk about the colors and fonts. The active color, like that. Default color, we're also going to make white. The hover color, we're going to make light blue. Cool. And then we're going to move this guy up. Colors and fonts again. We're going to move this guy up to like a size 19. Okay. Oh, let's say I don't like my logo there. I want it like in the corner. You can do whatever you want. This builder is like a document builder. So here you have this whole block. The header's over the first block. And this is just on the about page. And actually we can call this we'll call this the home page. How's that? And then it actually doesn't look bad. Let's keep it that way. What's it look like on different devices? Well, it's gonna look like that. Oh, that looks too close. What do we do? Well, we're gonna try and get into this because it's part of the first block. What we want to do here is we're gonna make this block full width 100 VH, and then we're gonna highlight all of these by Command or Control A. We're gonna do that. This only applies for the laptop size. Go back here and see it's only going to select this. Alright, so let's do that. By the way, if you guys go to the YouTube, there is a live chat. You can talk in the chat. Alright, now we're on the tablet size. Now, I like this, but look what happened here. In the menu, the icon needs to be changed to white. Okay, that was wrong, apparently. Color is black. Fill. The fill is what's around it. Let's see here. Icon color is white. No color. Shape fill color. Oh, I see. Yeah, nope, I'm wrong again. It is a frustrating journey. Let's say this is a screen open. Hamburger button. See this? Shape fill. That fills that. Color is white. Gotta say, I'm at a loss. I don't know. Why it won't change. Colored. Probably need like a linear one. There we go. Color. Aha. Okay. So, important point here I just learned. If you go to menu and you change the icon, it has to be linear. If it's filled or colored, it's not going to change color because it's static, but this is dynamic, so it will change. And once you change it for tablet, the mobile phone is kind of below that in the hierarchy, so it'll change for that as well. So there you go. Now look how this is kind of like bunched up here. If we take the text width and we move it out to like 340. Remember how I said that the 340 was within the screen here? Well, if we go over here to content width, the smallest, what I would recommend is doing 320, actually. Because if you're on an iPhone XS like I am, it's not, like if you did it out to the screen size, it's gonna be cut off, and that looks terrible. I showed you guys that yesterday with my personal site, but this one, you know, so we're gonna change the text size to 32. And again, I'm just working with a template here, but I'm just building this with you, so to show you. I love this. This is one of my favorite features. Moving the button size like that. Just I click on it and you can like edit these elements like this. You don't have to go. This is one thing Divi doesn't do. You can't edit it like shape. It is a shape, you know, and it fills in. Let me see, gonna delete that. Okay, let's take a look here. Yeah, I removed an element. Actually doesn't look too bad, except for the Google logo that we're totally borrowing from Google. Come on, okay. So, let's go to Chrome. See what this looks like. Nice. You see how the stuff's up against the sides and it's wider than it needs to be? Well, this is why. If we go back here, you see how we have this line? This line is the 1920 line. So this is right up against where the screen. So this, okay, so the size of my computer is 1920. So what I need to do is actually set the screen size smaller than what my actual computer is. So we go down here to page, content width, desktops. See, I want maybe like a 30 gap on both sides. So 30 pixel gap. So that'd be total of 60. So we're looking at 1860 here. That's the content area width. Okay. So now, if I build this stuff out like this, let's say I wanted the logo at the edge of the screen, or, you know, the edge of the screen or whatever. Let's see here. We're going to preview in Chrome again. Should work. Yeah, see, it's still cut off. So that shows you that what it's... let's go back and do that one more time. Yeah, okay. Cool, man. So actually, I think what's happening here is it's reading my iMac as a laptop, which is kind of strange. Either that or my browser's reading. You know what? We had this problem yesterday. I'm going to show you something here. More tools, clear browsing data, cached images and files. And now if we do it, okay. Strange. Well then, all right, so we can all agree that this is the edge. Width is to the sheet. Go to the screen. Okay. So now it's just showing. Okay, I get it. Okay, yep, this makes sense. So if we go to sheet, the sheet's like the whole sheet of the website. It's like bleed, I guess. But screen is the actual screen size. So if I move this over. Actually, let's do this. Let's that. We're gonna go to laptop too. See, that seems more like what it was appearing like, but let's see. Interesting. Now, see how websites is wrapping, so it's not this, it's definitely this. Ooh, the content area width didn't change. All right, readjust my seat here. Let's see, so 1920, I'm gonna go 1860. There we go, that did change. And then we're gonna undock the panel. We're gonna go to page, content width, back. Header to the sheet, so change back to the sheet. So let's see, content width, log page, content width. It did change to 1860. So now the width of this side to this side should only be up to 1860. So technically I should be able to put this all against the edge. Or I can just choose to use this sheet guide here. Let's try this out. So Chrome. No. See how that differs? It's so weird. Alright, well let's use the sheet size and then see how that works, because see, that looks fine there. But that was lined up with the edge of the... This is at 100%, right? Yeah. So it's generating it kind of oddly. Strange. But, okay. So what I'm thinking, just a personal sort of thing, is we need to make the block, the header block is what I'm in right now. The header block needs to meet the sheet size. This block also needs to be that, so there's no one in the chat, it's not that interested. Changes back to 1920. So yeah, the bleed is the bleed. The bleed is what it is. I think I can see general settings. It's not share theme. I didn't really have a plan for the stream, but not really sure. Okay. Well, let's say that's when you click on something, it shows the guide. So I'm gonna say this is the max extent that your content can go. Oops, don't want that. That's fine with me. I moved it over. Let's export it to Chrome and see. Okay. So we see that here, and then if we go to inspect, we're really going to be able to see what it looks like on different devices. Like an iPhone 12 Pro. Where's my iPhone XS? Edits. Devices. Love this because it has like everything. Add a custom device. iPhone X, here we go. All right. iPhone X. Okay. So that's about what it would look like on that width, but if we change this to like 320 or responsive, like a really thin phone, like one of those iPhone 4s, it probably is going to be like this. So yeah, and then Nice Page has its own stuff going on here. So cool. So yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I'm getting kind of tired, so just thought I would do the stream. Again, my name is Paul. I'm the owner of Cassis Media. And if you want me to build websites for you, if you want audio, video, graphic design, social media management, email marketing, you're actually going to end up saving money with the 360 marketing plan. And I will go over that here really quick with you. I'm going to pull up the website. Change over here. So we're going to go to marketing program. All right. So what is this? The 360 marketing program is basically a program that's going to save you money with your marketing. It's $1,000 a month. If you own a small business, you know that you pay your employees more than that per month if they work full time. A marketing employee is pretty expensive if they, you get them right out of college. So this is an alternative for small business owners who want full marketing without paying benefits, and you can write it off on your taxes. So, but yeah, that being said, thanks for watching, and have a great day. I'm trying to end the stream.